Galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixe um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem aí da Twitch. E hoje, galerinha, nós vai começar mais uma campanha aqui, continuidade dos eventos da campanha de 007 First Light. Na verdade, hoje eu acho que é a parte 3 dessa campanha. Peço mais uma vez então vocês deixarem o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem da Twitch. E vamos continuar aqui, galera, as aventuras de James Bond. O começo da sua carreira, da história, aqui é a história do jogo, que vai contar dele tornando-se um agente secreto. Vamos lá, vamos lá. A última parte nós paramos num baile aqui na noite festiva, né? Nós estávamos o último jogo, 11/7. De volta a Londres, os recrutas decidem ir ao clube para desestressar. Mas antes que comecem a festa, todos recebem uma mensagem do M6. O M6 é o órgão que o James foi recrutado, né? A noite de descanso acabou de virar um teste de campo. É isso aí, nós estávamos no meio dessa missão aqui, no meio da festividade, no baile. E é onde nós vamos continuar aqui hoje. No meio da festividade, no baile. Vamos esperar carregar o jogo.
Right guys, that's Pike taken care of. Locked him in.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's regroup.
A última parte, nós deixamos o cara preso lá, ó. Quem lembra da Cristina do novo? Não, peraí.
Just need to get through.
Oh, sorry. I'll move. Here, let's do one for the socials.
Are you serious?
Here, let's do one for the socials.
Hey, easy now.
Lucy, don't you ever take a day off?
Got to grow the full of a couch.
É legal essa missão aqui no baile. Nós tava noite de descanso, né?
VIP! Oh, alright! I didn't think the big fella was gonna let us in. What now?
You get your shirt off
What?
and show us your move.
What? Just walking?
We'll call the big guy.
Hey.
Oh, very gullible. Relax. Go get some food.
Oh, lovely. Just need that.
What? Didn't I tell you to go?
Just looking for a friend. He's not great with directions.
Right. You better get out of here.
Alright, thanks.
Vamos ver o que temos aqui. Ah, aqui eu entro num lugar restrito, né? Ah, legal, sai por aqui.
Somebody's in a rush.
O legal dessas missões de James Bond, galera, tem vários meios de abordagem para você fazer as missões. Vamos lá. No último episódio nós tava atrás de uma nossa vítima.
Slow down.
Nós conhecemos a Crisilda, né? E o...
Come on, you two. Look like you're having fun. Remember, we'll do those VIP invites.
A Crisilda lá, a gente tem que
Well
conversar
done,
com ela.
Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Morou, né?
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
And 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl. Pretty black dress. She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked.
Opa! Vamos lá. Localize o contato. Localize o contato para interceptar o encontro. Localização de encontro com o contato. O contato está de... O quê? Está de chapelaria usando um vestido preto. Ok. Aqui é outra área restrita da festa. Tem muitas garotas, né?
Your stamp. Thanks.
Ah, eu consegui o convite para entrar nessa área no episódio.
Excuse me.
I don't like anything creamy.
Any suggestions on rattling that cage? No
Tempt her,
pressure.
scare her. You'll think of something.
Right.
Shots.
Oh, Brasil demorou, né? Confronte o contato de bike. Vamos ver quem que é.
Watch out.
Tá da frente, meu.
See that bartender? What do you think?
What do I think about
It's
what?
passing through. My fault.
Do you think she's single?
Only one way to find out.
One star martini, please.
Ask her.
Actually, make that two.
Hope you're having fun while I do all the hard work.
You don't think it's hard work looking this good? Better get going. She's over
o
there.
trabalho Kingsley, no seu nome.
Hey, watch it.
Sorry.
Esse é um dos companheiros nossos, né? Trabalha na mesma agência. O MI6.
How much? For 2 coats? You're having a laugh.
I need to make a caller handler for this to work, right, Singh?
Yeah. She communicated with Pike on a rotating comm protocol. And
Comunicar
I
com
assume
Pike,
she'll
né?
use the same thing with her handler. But I got Pike's phone cloned, so it shouldn't be a problem.
If it's not a problem, why mention it?
Guys, focus, please. You good, Bond?
Ready to shake things up.
Just there.
Não vamos perder tempo, não. Vamos direto no contato. Ai. E aqui, né? Ah, é aqui nos bastidores. Fechar a porta. Menos som, né, lá fora.
Sorry, May. You can't be here.
Of course. I was just leaving.
On your way, then.
found her. Oh, good.
Ah, que bom,
You
você
showed.
apareceu.
And I was just about to leave. You're late.
Give her hell, okay?
Pegue
We
para exato,
need her to call
precisamos
her
dela ali que
handler.
para o supervisor dela. Peraí.
Leave? I doubt that. In fact, you're so hot for what I've got, we need to talk price. It just doubled.
Why do little men like you always do that? You must know we won't play along.
It's not unreasonable. I'm the one risking everything.
Ah, é.
Double up or this never happened.
You're not kidding. Can't we just stick to the deal?
New deal or no deal? I suggest you start making...
Ah, novo acordo ou nada feito. Ah, ganhando argumentação, né? Ah, entendi.
Who's this?
Oh, Christ. Could we not do this?
You prefer her to me?
Please. I'm leaving.
Calm down.
What the? And who the hell are you? Acting all superior? I don't have to take this.
How about you put a leash on your girlfriend?
Listen, you and me? Not a good idea.
Damn right it's not. Don't believe a word he says. All smooth, but such a liar.
Ah,
Asshole.
I'm done. Deal's off.
If you go, the offer is up. It's now or never. Your call.
Give me a few minutes. I need to make a phone call.
Esse tá telefonema lá, o acordo, né? Que situação.
It's me. He wants more money.
Done. She's making the call.
What
No.
took you so long?
Things got complicated.
Well done, recruits.
Yes.
Extraction
I
in
believe so.
2 minutes. I've marked the location in your lenses.
Understood.
First
I'll
to
leave
arrive
now.
gets extra credit.
It sure did take a while. But I've always known those looks of yours would get us in trouble someday.
I think he just sucks at turning down the keen ones.
You wouldn't know, Sing, but it actually takes a lot of practice.
Ah, Kingsley. O desinteressar a mulher de vermelho atrapalhou.
I'll give you some pointers one of these days, Bond.
Thanks, Kingsley.
Extraction, guys. TikTok.
Oh, pardon me. Didn't see you there, sir.
Vocês estão vendo aqui, galera, o legal dessas missões de James Bond, tem vários modos de você conversar, diálogos, que você escolhe a abordagem das missões. Nossa, confusão!
You're dead, mate.
Isso aí!
Mind if I cut in?
A porrada vai comer agora.
These guys really want to dance. Where's my shot? What can I do? Is that good for you? A club full of regular Londoners, and you had to charm the army boys. My bad. Do yourself a favor. Give it up. One more. Why do they keep getting up?
Isso, Bond! Olha lá. Obrigado, meu amor, me ajudou.
You're late.
Você está atrasado. Ah, não! Oh, o nosso
Right, so
chefe.
there's still time for a pint. Back in. First round on me.
Está atrasado. Ah. Vocês todos
Cheeky
precisam estar no
half?
estacionamento. Meia caneca. Olha lá. Você está atrasado.
I'm suspending train, effective immediately.
The situation has arisen,
Temos uma
a matter
situação,
of considerable
uma questão de
delicacy.
considerável delicadeza. Que missão é
The
agora?
former 009, real name
Um
Reese
verdadeiro
Beckett.
Hicks Beckett, o
A rogue
ex-009,
operative guilty of high
culpado
treason,
de
he has
alta traição.
somehow
Ele
managed to
conseguiu se
stay
manter
hidden
escondido
for
por
over
mais
a
de uma
decade.
década.
Now he's coming in
Agora
from the
ele está de
cold.
volta. O 009
009 claims to hold evidence of a conspiracy against the
pretende
state,
entregá-las em
and he
troca de
intends to
perdão
hand it in in
total.
return for a full
A
pardon
nossa
on
chefe
one
M, né?
condition.
Uma
He will
condição.
only talk to
Com
John
John
Greenway.
Greenway. Ele só falará com
Yes,
John.
really is
Acho que
for
existe mesmo a tampa.
And where do we come in, Mum?
E onde nós entramos
Last
nisso,
time I
senhora?
checked, cutting
Da
deals
última
with
vez que
traitors was not in
verifiquei,
our playbook.
009 is a master
009 é o mestre de
infiltrator.
infiltração,
As
tão
resourceful
engenhoso
as he is
quanto paranoico.
paranoid, thinking 2 steps ahead is this man's
Duas
idea of
pessoas à frente à
lazy.
ideia da preguiça.
To catch him,
Para
we're going to
pegar,
need eyes
precisamos ter
everywhere.
olhos em todos os lugares.
Consider this a field
Considere isso um
exam.
exame de campo.
Get your equipment
Peguem
and
seu
cover
equipamento de
stories from
identidade,
Q. Money
fachada
Penny will
com
fill you in
Q.
on the rest.
Monte
Dismissed.
Penny e os informará dispensados. Então, Bond, temos uma missão com 009.
A word.
Uma palavra. Sem M.
Greenway wasn't happy with your performance
Gostou do
last
seu
night, and
desempenho
he's
ontem à noite.
reluctant to
Está
bring you
relutante em
along,
levar
just a
você.
heads up.
Isso é só um aviso.
Right.
Greenway. Certo, right.
Any advice?
Algum conselho?
Doing what you're told might be a
Fazer o
good
que te
start.
Greenway, né? Ah, o senhor Greenway, né?
Ponsonby?
Bons boy.
Bond.
Bond, olha lá. Apresente-se ao aqui 40. Qual o nome da missão? Apresente-se ao K. Fale com K sobre uma identidade de fachada e equipamento de campo. Ai, a gente tem que falar com K. Uma missão oficial outra que nós temos depois da noite de descanso. Interceptamos lá o acordo lá. Aqui é a sala da nossa chefe.
What did she say?
Greenway doesn't want me to come after last night.
Really? I missed the extraction deadline too.
Well,
Greenway, né?
I am going. That's what counts.
Come on.
Morou.
Let's go see Q.
Vamos
A
encontrar
rogue
a
double
K.
O coming in from the cold.
00
Not bad for a
negado.
first
Nada
mission.
mal para
She
uma
said he's
primeira
been in
missão.
hiding for more than a
Ela disse
decade.
que ela está escondendo.
That roughly
mas
matches when the program was shut down,
a
doesn't it?
primeira missão é
Yeah.
encontrar o 009.
It does. You think he caused that?
It could be. Or it could just be timing deciding things. I mean, Thea was just integrated. Perhaps the double O's didn't feel needed to the same extent after that.
Então a nossa missão é achar esse tal 009, pelo que eu entendi aqui, é isso? É.
Heading down to Q Lab.
In a moment.
Come on, Bond.
Bond, you coming?
Calma aí, colega. Calma aí, moro.
Let's go.
Come on, Bond.
Bond, you coming?
Sorry, I'm in your way.
Apologies. Unintentional.
Calma aí, moro.
Let's go.
Q Lab. Cover
Lab,
stories
o
and field
laboratório Q Lab.
equipment. This sure beats exams. Wonder what he's got lined up for us.
I wouldn't mind that bike coming along.
Oh? I heard
Yeah.
you were more into explosives. The bigger the better,
More-
according to Basil from accounting.
Basil? Who's
Basil.
Vice chairman of your fan club.
that? Right, the
Van
chairman?
Group.
I guess that would be Greenway, right?
They did
Greenway,
both run for
sir.
the post, but Greenway won by a whisker.
O laboratório Q Lab. Estamos nas instalações novamente.
I was looking for you two. Monroe, I have your cover story from Q.
Can't wait. Later, mate. Any idea what's in store for me?
No clue. Something dashing, no doubt.
This guy? Fashion photographer.
Fearless war correspondent.
Adventurer archaeologist. I'll see you in a bit.
Vamos ver o que temos aqui nos laboratórios Quilap de novo. É a nossa segunda visita.
Waters, how's business?
Brisk, now the rest of the targets have
Agora o
arrived.
resto dos alvos
Still
chegou.
waiting on a shipment of suppressors, though. There's a free booth if you want to work on your average.
Leaderboard, here I come.
Tabela de classificação. Será que dá pra treinar tirar o alvo? T008 armamento. Ah, é aqui que eu faço tirar o alvo, né?
Move over, Waters.
Bond, good job on the flag challenge. Smart.
Desafio da maneira, valeu, cara. Onde que a gente tem que ir? Ah, presente seu carro.
We need increased stability. It's fine for interiors, but position...
This takes me back.
Right. We just brought it out from storage. Cold War legacy piece. Phone rings, target enters, takes the call, the door seals, and a soporific gas spills from the receiver, quickly filling the hermetically sealed booth, which quietly descends into the ground where an extraction team awaits.
Nice.
Nice.
Does it still work?
No, but it holds a bunch of old coins.
Pity.
Galera, ó, hashtag shorts. Tá aqui, tá aparecendo aqui cabine telefônica do... Olha lá. Tá aparecendo em Londres do Harry Potter, da franquia Harry Potter. Olha lá, ó. Hashtag shorts. Parecido mesmo, cara, ó. A cabine telefônica do Harry Potter, cara, ó, só. Vamos ver. Ah, igualzinho, ó. Lembra de quem assistiu os filmes lá da década de 2000? Harry Potter, cara. Olha só. Parece até a cima da Grifinória. Ah, cheio de referências aqui no jogo. Da hora.
Anyway,
98.2% inflation. Fine work.
I still detect a 0.2 microsecond delay in the ECU.
You think you're up for the task,
Need to adjust the trigger
Jeremy?
sensors before we present to Q.
Good call.
Yeah, of course. What's up together?
What are we looking at? Portable airbag?
Shelter sphere. Well, if you're ever caught in an avalanche, you'll be glad to be packing one.
Wow, da hora.
Why would I be caught in an avalanche carrying a gentleman's briefcase?
We... Oh, mind your own business, Bond.
Moving on.
Que teste estão fazendo agora?
Test number 5, Boyle from accounting.
This is Boyle from accounting. Boyle from accounting.
that is I.
Perfect match. Continue, please.
Test number 6. Waters, shooting range instructor.
My name is Waters, and I treat everybody like an inconvenience.
Uncanny. Great work, Gillian.
McPherson, Palmer, you're both fired. Clean out your desks.
You're a funny guy, Bond.
I'm dead serious. Reason for termination, violation of dress code. You did not iron your socks.
Hugh doesn't iron his socks. He has them dry cleaned. Now go bother someone else.
Sorry. Couldn't resist.
Do excuse me.
Unintentional. Just coming through.
Bond, no touching, please. Just gave her a fresh coat of paint.
Oh, valeu, cara. Eu quero esse cara na missão, hein?
Hey, look who's back.
Sorry, may I?
Sorry. Didn't mean to. What did I do all day? I weaponized a luxury sports car.
Impressive. Congealment is nearly instantaneous. But we need to drastically reduce mass to make the device portable. Target specs are 56 grams, same as a tennis ball.
Tall order.
How we roll?
There's a sticky situation.
Right. It's the latest in non-lethal defense tech. The canister releases a blast of ultra-fast hardening riot foam that'll pacify an elephant. You can set it off on a timer, with motion sensors, or by remote trigger. Care to try? It feels like a warm hug.
I'll take your word for it.
Legal. Aqui é o MI6, ou Q-Lab, né? Como chama o laboratório Q-Lab. Aqui que faz esses testes, experiências, ó, com os armamentos que o Bond usa nas suas missões. Vai utilizar nas missões futuras.
I know that look. You found something in deep storage, didn't you?
It's... Can't say it.
Caraca, mano!
Nice one! That's what I'm talking about.
And silk cushions. Is it a lifeboat or a love nest?
One doesn't necessarily exclude the other, I suppose. What's that?
Oh, the hell?
Hey! I'm just trying to get through.
Tem aqui. Ah, aqui é o assento do sofá que pula.
Have you spoken to the Valhalla? Anything seem familiar?
Oh, I thought that was you. That's brilliant.
Right? The technology is incredible. I can't even tell the difference.
And you're not the slightest bit worried that the SIS now owns your voice for all perpetuity?
It's for science. Besides, they have all our voices on file.
They what?
Everything you say in Q Branch gets recorded, love. Didn't you read your contract?
Not the fine print.
Actually, it was emblazoned across page 2 in bold red letters.
Rub it in, why don't you?
Olha cá aqui, ó. Mas peraí, antes da gente conversar com ela.
Strange.
Have you seen Q around?
I think he's in wearables.
That sounds about right.
Bond, congratulations on completing training. I'm happy to tell you that TaxSim is now up and running. Care to try?
So what's your background in?
Thank you for asking.
I
have a PhD in performance psychology and a master's in game theory. As far as I'm concerned, I have the best job in the world.
Well, except for the pay, am I right?
Oh, you think we're in the same salary bracket?
Celina,
That's
essa é a
adorable.
Celina.
Figures.
Yep. 6 a year plus bonuses.
What's that?
Nothing.
You mentioned a prototype based on what happened in Iceland.
Yes, map the scenario in great detail, allowing us to recreate or reconfigure the mission parameters as we see fit. Imagine twice as many hostiles, all armed with RPGs in a blizzard. The variants are endless.
And uniformly awful,
horrível,
I'm
com
sure.
certeza.
Tactical simulations.
Como
Like
jogos de
war
guerra.
games.
Decidedly next gen. We use immersive VR to create a near-authentic training experience where
usa
field
a
agents
realidade
can hone their
virtual,
skills
Celina.
within a controlled, regenerative environment.
Impressive.
Impressionante.
But not full dive VR, surely.
Oh, I wish. I am liaising with Q Branch on a fully fledged haptic suit, but it's in the early stages. In the meantime, your imagination will have to fill in the blanks.
Ah. Táxi, peraí. O que é o táxi? Ah, isso aqui é novo, eu não vi, ó. Vamos ver. Ah, relógio K. Nós temos... O relógio K é um dispositivo sofisticado de invasão capaz de interferir na maioria dos aparelhos eletrônicos próximos. É útil para burlar sistemas de segurança e... Ah, aqui o arsenal tá pra mudar, né? Isso aqui é novo. Ah, aqui tá pra colecionar cartas. M chamou os recrutas para o MI6, que é a agência, né? Ela suspendeu os exames para enviá-los em uma missão. O agente rebelde 009 reapareceu. Ah. O nome da missão é Identidade de Fachada.
What kind of scenarios have you got? Beach resort in Bali, too much to hope for?
We emphasize first-hand involvement. When you go into the field, we monitor and record everything and add the reconstructed maps to our portfolio.
Learning by doing.
Exactly. Cheating death is what TaxSim is all about. Swing by whenever you have the chance, and who knows, you might just live to see 30.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Eu vou passar assim.
What are the leaderboards for?
Oh, it's just some of my team running a little tournament.
They compete at being me.
Mm-hmm. They even study the mission transcripts to deliver your lines. I'll take those odds. Very cool.
How did they do?
Oh, don't worry, they're all extremely dead. As you should be. Still can't believe you're not.
Right. Not right now. Some other time.
Ah, disappointing. Well, you know where to find me. Bond, congratulations on completing training. I'm happy to tell you that TaxSim is now up and running. Care to try?
O Dark Sim tá funcionando.
Not right now. Some other time.
Vamos descobrir o Dark Sim mais tarde.
Well, you know where to find me.
É isso aí. Ah, lembrei, o Kai é aquele senhor de idade, de bigode, no episódio passado a gente conversou. Nossa, quanto nível de detalhes. A moto ainda está em fase de protótipo, né? A sala do Kai ali.
He was down here not too long ago.
Who? Nicholas Webb?
Sir Nicholas. Yeah, the Foreign Secretary gave him the grand tour. Q didn't seem overly excited.
Ah, a bit of professional envy, perchance.
Well, he may be a billionaire, but Q's better dressed.
I wouldn't mind shaking that man's hand. Creator of Thea. That's no mean feat.
My father was a GCHQ analyst. I'm just happy he retired before Thea took the stage. Oh, I don't know. Creating our own replacements. Some feat.
Legal a conversa.
We'll move over Savile Row.
Nossa, que sala interessante aqui dentro dos laboratórios. Ah, um traje, né, que a gente vai ocar, né? Uma roupa, a gente vai usar uma roupa de disfarce, né? Ó o Kai. Ah. E aí, Kai?
Nice.
Isso é bonito. Nice.
Yes. Note the exquisite stitching and attention to detail. Cut, proportion and style in perfect harmony.
Perfeita harmonia.
Looks a bit big.
Oh no, this is for
Essa para o Monroe.
You'll be wearing that one.
Você vai usar este. Qual roupa? Roupa de mordomo. Ah, eu sou motorista.
Well, don't look at me. I just work here.
A cara do James Bond, vai ser o motorista.
Greenway.
Greenway.
I'm heading over to gadget testing. Join me when you're ready. There's some new field gear that I'd like you to try out.
Right. Probably a new line of air fresheners.
Ah, essa vai ser a roupa do Monroe.
Oh, darling, it's a dream come true.
Let's synchronize our stories.
I'm a big shot sports agent, and you're a washed-up child influencer with a massive gambling problem. I took pity on you.
Or I'm a high-powered lawyer and you're a former professional rugby player with moderate brain damage. I find your incomprehensible grunt soothing somehow.
Ouch. Pick on someone your own size. Like James here. Enjoying yourselves? Get this. We're a couple. Blake and Loretta York.
Blake, Loretta e Rake. Crescido e morreu vão se passar por Blake e Loretta.
Married 4 years.
What did you get, James?
Short end of the stick, that's what.
Greenway strikes again, eh? Sorry, mate.
Honestly, you made your bed, James. If I were you, I'd be thankful I was going at all.
I trust you two will be very happy together.
See you at the briefing.
Morou e Crescilda vão se disfarçar como senhor, senhora, o quê? O que é isso?
No time to date.
Vicky, lá do clube, me liga. Ah, lá nas Ilhas Malta, lá, né, na ilha. Ah.
A souvenir from Iceland.
Assalto
Nice
da
one, Moneypenny.
Rocha. Ah, uma lembrança da primeira missão que nós fez lá na ilha da Islândia, na introdução do jogo. Rocha ígnea fragmentada. Pele esfriamente de magma. Assalto da Islândia.
Handsome bunch.
Peraí, deixa eu ver se eu olhar direito. Ah, eu não tô nessa foto não, né? Peraí. Programa 00, Grupo 1. Último dia de treinamento.
Chauffeur. That's just grand.
Então eu vou ser um motorista disfarçado nessa missão. É encarregado de achar o 009. É um alto traidor do MI6, que já foi. É isso? Mas não é isso que eu tô entendendo no modo história.
Okay, let's see what's in store.
Splendid work, Bridget. I'd say one more round of iteration and we're ready for field testing.
That is my assessment as well.
Careful with that. Do you value your eyebrows?
Eu quero usar essa moto na missão. Vamos falar com o cara então.
You mentioned some field gear that needs testing?
Quite right, yes.
Certo, aqui, por favor, Kio.
This here is a shockwave device. It triggers a small, directed propagating disturbance that staggers opponents on impact and causes medium damage to body armor. Try it out, why don't you?
All right.
Ah, um aparelho de choque. Agora temos... legal. O que tá escrito aqui? Câmera de... o quê? Câmera de onda de choque.
Now, aim the device at Arthur here, and before you ask, yes, he's good with it.
I'm good with it!
If you say so.
Ah, o quê? Bala hackear objetos durante o combate. Ah, da hora.
Excellent stuff. Great work, Bond.
Deixa eu ver como funciona. Use a onda de choque para afastar os inimigos e conseguir uma rota de fuga. Os objetos do ambiente, coberturas quebráveis e algumas portas trancadas. Ah, ele desfaz, é onda de choque, né? Podem ser destruídos ou empurrados com a onda de choque. Ah. Conforme a gente vai avançando. Ok.
Okay, next item. A sleek upgrade to a timeless classic, the smoke grenade.
A granada de fumaça, onda de choque.
Projectile blocks visibility, leaving an opponent open to attack. Go on, have a go.
Don't mind if I do.
O que temos agora? Cápsulas de fumaça. Ah, ele parece uma câmera, né? Ah, cápsula de fumaça. Tudo isso pelo meu reloginho, né? Que intercepta.
Come on, Bond. We don't have all day.
Pegar cápsula.
Right. Throw it at Arthur. You ready, Arthur?
Ready!
Ah, sim.
Now, as you can see, the smoke...
Vamos lá. O dispositivo de fumaça cria uma nuvem de fumaça. Use-a para passar despercebido pelos inimigos e confundi-los durante o combate. Nossa, isso vai ser interessante, hein? Ah, novos tipos de arsenais. Isso aqui que eu me precisava.
Obscures Arthur's vision, causing an acute sense of
Onda de
disorientation.
choque, fumaça.
While the effect lasts, he is quite defenseless. And that's the whole shooting match. You may choose your equipment from the gadget cart. Bridget here will sort you out if you have questions.
Thanks.
Good luck out there, Bond.
Ah, eu posso escolher o dispositivo? Não é todos que eu consigo selecionar? Ah.
You were authorized to bring 2 items into the field. Not that you're likely to need them in the car park.
Uh-huh.
Was that insensitive? My people skills range in the bottom third.
Surely not.
Calma aí, calma aí, calma aí. E esses dois aqui?
Bunsen? Singh?
Robson, Singh.
What kind of cover stories did you get?
Human rights lawyer.
Advogado de
DPhil in
direitos
mathematics from
humanos.
Cambridge, specialising in differential geometry.
Sounds like you were born for the part.
What did you get? Demolition man?
Transportation specialist?
Especialista em transporte.
Chauffeur, huh?
Motorista,
Yeah.
né? Eu,
Sorry, Bond.
yeah.
For what it's worth, I thought you did well last night.
Pity's sake, Ronson, don't encourage him.
No, it's
Anyway, we're heading up to operations. See you there.
See you around.
Bond, congratulations on completing training. I'm happy to tell you that TaxSim is now up and running. Care to try?
Not right now. Some other time.
Ah, disappointing. Well, you know where to find me.
Então agora temos um dispositivo de arma de choque e outro de fumaça que o Sr. K nos forneceu. Que é isso aqui?
Is that an ejection seat?
Good eye.
On a car?
Looks can be deceiving.
It's not a car.
I can neither confirm nor deny that.
Never mind. So, what's wrong with an airbag?
Why have hamburger when you can have steak?
Fair enough.
Nossa, um ejetor, né? O banco ejetor.
Enter. You might want to wear gloves, though, unless you fancy a rash. Kidding.
Vamos voltar lá pro vestiário para ver se tem alguma coisa. Para nos prepararmos para essa missão de infiltração. O duro que o bonde não corre.
Let me get out of your way,
Sai da
sir.
frente.
My fault. Didn't mean to.
Vamos lá, vamos começar a nos preparar então. Eu tenho que escolher o conjunto de dispositivo que eu vou levar. Ah, esse é o carrinho de dispositivos. Equipe dispositivos atribua botões. Ah, o carrinho de dispositivo de bonde. Equipe dispositivos atribua botões a dispositivo e veja os recursos do dispositivo aqui. Da hora, e agora? Isso mostra seu equipamento. Use para ter uma rápida visão geral do que está equipado. Legal, este é o inventário de dispositivo. Ah, que da hora, cara. O carrinho de dispositivo é isso aqui, então. Este é o inventário de dispositivo, que consiste nos dispositivos disponíveis. O relógio K é obrigatório e está sempre equipado. Ah, esse é o básico, né? O relógio K. Relógio K é um sofisticado dispositivo de hackeamento capaz de interferir na maioria dos aparelhos eletrônicos próximos. É útil para burlar sistemas de segurança e coisa. Quem que é? Celular de dardos. Ah, é um equipamento celular que joga os dardos lá. Achei que era pelo relógio. Dispara pequeno dardo oculto em uma toxina de ação rápida. Ah, o telefone dispara um pequeno dardo tox de ação rápida, causando náusea, tontura e desorientação. A ferramenta perfeita para desviar discretamente a atenção ou nivelar.
Kind of choosing blindly here. Any pointers?
I cannot disclose any specific details about the assignment, only that you will be attending an exclusive social event. High security, low hostility. In these types of situations, discretion, not force, is advised.
Duly noted.
Ah, atribuir dispositivo. dispositivo ativo pode ser atribuído a qualquer compartimento no equipamento. Você pode escolher celular, coisa, inventar dispositivo. Compartimento para dispositivo ocupado. A nossa primeira missão de campo, né, gente? Deixa eu ver. Aí eu. Cápsula de fumaça. Uma cobertura leve de pequeno porte que bloqueia a visibilidade a curta distância do usuário realizar um ataque surpresa ou escapar. Ah, então é o que nós temos para preencher aqui, ó. Ué. Aqui eu posso selecionar o celular de dardos. Eu vou selecionar aqui, ó. Esta câmera de aparência discreta dispara. A câmera de ondas de choque dispara discreta disparar uma pequena perturbação direcionada que adordoa os oponentes no impacto e causa danos médios à armadura corporal e tal. Nossa, que da hora, cara! Esta câmera dispara câmera de ondas de choque e causa danos médios à armadura corporal. É ideal para ganhar tempo ou obter vantagem em uma luta. Ó, celular de dardos. Olha só, injeta uma agulha, cara. Esse é o relógio cal, é o nosso relógio básico. Cápsula de fumaça, uma atualização para um clássico. É um isqueiro, né? Esta cobertura leve bloqueia a visibilidade a curta distância, permitindo o usuário realizar um ataque surpresa ou escapar sem ser detectado. Cápsulas de fumaça, é isso aqui, ó. Cada isqueiro desses joga uma cápsula e o inimigo, ó. Eu só posso levar 3 itens por vez? Eu tenho que escolher entre a câmera de onda de choque e as cápsulas de fumaça. Vou ter que ir nas câmeras de fumaça, então.
All done.
Interesting.
What?
Nothing. Good luck out there.
Não cabe mais itens, não. É isso mesmo, não cabe mais item não.
Less is more. Except when it's not.
Cada missão você avança também vou crédito, né?
Kingsley? Nash?
Bond. I can barely make out last night's bruises. Only the subtle stain of defeat.
Must have missed a spot.
Bond, Kingsley.
What are your covers?
Keith Bollinger. Private banker to the rich and famous.
Grace Dufresne, career diplomat. Same as my parents.
Yeah, Kingsley.
The backstory sort of writes itself.
Well, that's handy.
Anyway, Q's waiting for you. And Bond, friendly word of advice? No shenanigans today. You're hanging on by a thread.
Message received. Thanks.
See you at the briefing.
Obrigado. Vejo na reunião.
What's your take on the new M?
Well, she keeps her cards pretty close to her chest. Suppose she needs to.
Ah, aqui é o arsenal de dispositivos, né? Por quanto só cabe 3, olha lá. 1, 2, 3.
Well, she's the reason we're all here. Took a lot of political courage to revive the program. You gotta respect that.
You know, she brought her dog to the office the other day.
If you're kitted out, head up to operations. Moneypenny will brief you on the assignment.
Thanks.
Hey,
Qual que é a
we're
missão?
all rooting for you. Go get the son of a bitch.
O 009, né? Nós vai atrás. Vamos lá, Monte Payne. Bom. Ah, use os botões para escolher o andar. Laboratório Lab. Operações. Ah, é aqui que escolhe, né? Sobe o andar. Da hora. Ai, ai. Vamos para a nossa primeira missão.
Hello. Can I help you?
Perhaps you can. I'm looking for Moneypenny.
I think she's in her pod. Just through that door down there, and you can't miss her.
A Monte Payne tá aqui. Vá para a cápsula de Monte... Receba as instruções de missões com Monte Payne. Ah, aqui é o escritório, a sala de operações. Ah, interessante.
When is the audit scheduled for?
End of next week. I want everything to be triple checked by this Friday.
Way ahead of you. Every penny accounted for and every transaction properly documented.
The brief was finished and handed off to diplomatic relations. You can close that one.
Good. And where are we on Operation Sparrow?
Meeting at 11 o'clock to brief handler. Asset profiles and the various approach risk assessments set up for Thayer compile. I have a good feeling about this one.
And media?
We've prepared contingencies in your dailies. Have a read.
Good.
Relatório do Arrowroyd. Ah, aquela organização dos terroristas na primeira parte. Um relatório de incidências da TEIA sobre o espetacular e mais recente roubo feito pela gangue picamilunar conhecido como Arrowroyd. Ah. interessante. Por isso que é bom explorar.
This one was taken 36 hours ago, northeastern Syria. They flagged it as a logistics site. But if you look right here...
Exemplar de hoje, então preço standard.
Exactly. Far too high for it to be just a storage site.
Someone's running some seriously heavy machinery in there. Weapons?
I think so. Not nuclear.
Not yet, anyway. Dirty?
Maybe.
What's the plan?
I've requested that we send a team in. We need boots on the ground for this one.
Agreed. Keep me posted.
Will do. I think I found something.
Excuse me, could you please identify yourself? I haven't seen you around here before.
00 recruit. James Bond.
Iceland.
Iceland? Do you care to elaborate, Mr...
Name's Basil Winters.
Meu nome é Basil Winters.
I'll elaborate.
Vou explicar melhor.
Iceland. 2 BT-65s, 11 personnel units with generators. 7 deployment capsules, 4 of which with generators. 1 XL site guard LTP unit fully equipped. Scanners, cutters, light rigs, scramblers, comms. All vaporized by you.
Right.
Iceland.
Bom trabalho, Basil.
Keep up the good work, Basil.
Então seu nome é Basil?
We can't risk them relocating.
The cheek.
Agente 00, James Bond.
About ready for the mission brief?
In a moment. We just need to settle our bet. If only Greenway's performance review for last night would come in.
I don't know why you're so keen. There's no way you'll move up on the list.
Don't be so sure.
Ah, tem que subir na lista, né?
I was in the zone. I'll just check again.
Here. Have you seen these? Summer party pics.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Look at Paul. Those dance moves should be classified.
I know.
Listen, I just looked at the thermos, but there's some glitch on the overlay. Make it a priority, okay?
É tudo o mesmo símbolo nos computadores.
I need a confirmation for the redeployment of XP-41. Yes. Clearance code is Wade 98-13. In effect, thanks.
It's a bit of a snag, to be honest. My man's working 3 assets, but it turns out that 2 of them are acquaintances.
All right there.
Exemplar de hoje do London Sentinel. Especialistas avisam por coisa. Coisa.
Chauffeur, I heard.
Greenway obviously considers my driving skills indispensable. No, in case we get into a car chase.
Oh, yes.
Ah, sim, claro, Kingsley.
And I thought it was due to your massive fail last night.
Give him a rest, Kingsley.
You see a massive fail. I see a multifaceted learning experience we can all benefit from.
Ah.
Are these the latest figures for active operations? They look a bit off.
Ah, see.
Tom, could you
Então a sala de operações é em cima do Kilab. É um escritório, né?
I had a look at the previous one, and you're absolutely right. Let's make sure we use that to our advantage. See you then.
Legal.
Defector set up in safe house. When's the debrief?
5 p.m. Good job.
I need confirmation on the dead drop for Operation Archer. B3964. Thank you.
And you just want me to go over the first 2 weeks of infiltration?
Right.
Hello again. This is one of the new recruits, I believe. This is Whitlock, and I'm Bancroft.
Vou falar com Penny.
You look familiar. Have we met?
Já nos conhecemos.
Don't believe we have. Name's Bond.
Meu nome é Ponte.
So that's you.
Então é você.
Heard of me, have you?
I was the one handling the media after the Iceland incident.
You did cause a few grey hairs around the place. Word of advice, you might want to stay clear of Basil from accounting behind the lifts.
The floor's called Operations. What do you do down here?
Whitlock and his team deal with the media.
Cuidando da
One thing
mídia.
is secrecy, another subterfuge and public
Eles cuidam
belief,
da mídia.
and Alistair is the master of misdirection and half-truths.
You make that sound devious. It's all for king and country.
I myself am an analyst. And then we have people handling covers, vetting, accounting, mission support, assets, and quite a few more areas.
Como é trabalhar no subterrâneo?
Full days working deep underground. It's gotta take its toll.
Comes with the territory. And apart from a feeling of time standing still, I really like it down here.
At least we're not in the tunnels. That used to be a thing.
Good chat. Later.
Nice chat.
Did you go check on that restaurant I mentioned?
I did. They'll be fine. In fact, I think the media attention might have worked in their favor. It was really busy.
Prazer conhecer vocês, Bancroft e Whitlock.
You never know which way things go after a staging. Thorless was a bit anxious. Young couple running it and all.
No reason for that on this one.
All good.
E agora, Penny.
Underestimates 009.
Todos vocês subestimam.
You all do.
Ó, Sr. Cruel.
Their's report was inconclusive, John. 009's been gone for too long to yield reliable data. There's a 50-50 chance that he's telling the truth. We need to know what he has.
We need nothing this man has to offer. Yes, this is just the boon that M's been looking for to get Foreign Secretary Bright and his lot off our backs, but 009 is a master manipulator. Whatever his endgame is, we won't see it coming.
Ó, Sr. Cruel. Olha lá.
I couldn't help but overhear you and Greenway.
Couldn't help yourself, is what you mean.
Sounds like there's some history between the two of them.
They served together as double O's, right up until Operation Nightfall.
Go on.
Would that I could.
Peraí, antes de mais nada, vamos explorar o ambiente aqui.
I wonder if they're letting us go on the mission because we aced the nightclub yesterday.
It would take more than that.
I'm sure they've run a Thayer assessment on all of us before mission sign-off.
Then we're objectively good enough to take on real agent work.
No need to finish training then. Is there?
Don't be stupid. As Em said, she needs eyes everywhere for this mission. For more active roles, it'll take a lot more to qualify. Doesn't mean we should coast on this one. I think we should all focus on internalizing our cover stories.
A minha equipe, Kingsley. O outro lá, esqueci o nome também.
I should go see Moneypenny.
Ah, o membro da toda a equipe do bonde são 5, 6 membros. Esqueci de decorar o nome de todos ainda. Não decorei o nome de todos. Que isso? Perfil do 009. 12 oficial no MI6 sobre o 009. Com o nome dele da identidade Hicks Beckett. Ah, Hicks Beckett, o nome dele. Qual é a identidade dele? 009, página 57. Será que é isso aqui? A foto dele, né? É um agente experiente, ele é de idade 57 anos. Ele é bom em manipulação, né? A missão é tentar achar ele com maior discrição. Ai, ai. Vamos ver os detalhes da missão.
Nice place.
Essa tela é grande, bastante bonita pra você.
It's cool, isn't it? Just got it up and running.
About 009.
Sobre o 009,
How did he
como ele
manage to stay
conseguiu ficar
hidden for all
escondido por
those
todos
years?
esses anos?
I thought Thea could get a handle on just about anyone in the world.
It's not a magic wand,
Bom, ela não
James.
fez milagre, James.
Thea consumes data on an unprecedented
Em uma escala
scale,
sem
but if you
precedentes.
leave none, you're
Mas se você não
effectively
deixar nenhum
invisible.
rastro, fica efetivamente
Imagine the
invisível.
focus and dedication it takes to stay off-grid for so long.
Did 009 have help?
Almost
Recebeu ajuda?
certainly.
Com certeza que
Some
sim.
even speculated he was with the
Ele
cousins.
estava com
Why
os
would the
primos.
Americans hide a UK traitor?
You don't have siblings, do you?
Recruit ranking. You have a widget for that.
I like to stay informed.
Looks like I kept my place.
Well, Greenway hasn't handed in the
O
performance
Grey
review
não
for last
entregou a
night.
avaliação de desempenho na noite passada. Os recrutas, né? Olha lá os membros.
You have a mission briefing for me.
I do. Let's
Tenho.
get the other
Vamos
recruits
trazer
in
os
here
outros
and I'll
recrutas
show
aqui
you.
para se apresentar. Qual que é a missão? Vamos lá.
The Grand Carpathian Hotel
O
in the
Hotel
high
Grande
Tatra
Copa,
Mountains of
nas montanhas
Slovakia,
Tatra da
host
Eslovaquia.
to the World Chess
O
Championship.
Campeonato Mundial de
Safe to
Xadrez,
say,
cerca de
009
19 não
did not
escolheu
pick
esse
this
local
location at
aleatoriamente. Ah.
The hotel is swarming with international VIPs, security is of the highest order, and due to the current diplomatic tension between the UK and Slovakia, the operation has not been cleared with local authorities. According to 009's instructions, the meeting will go down in full public view during the championship match. No comms, no tracking, no backup. And these are only the safeguards that we know about. 009 will employ every manner of subterfuge to avoid capture. And if he suspects a trap, we'll never get another shot. This is where you come in. You're all blank slates in the intelligence circuit, which makes you ideally suited for undercover work. Locate 009 and keep him under close watch, but do not engage the target. This is a black tag operation, so discretion, ladies and gentlemen, is critical.
A gente tem que localizar o 009, né? Aonde que é a missão? Um hotel? Eu esqueci que falou.
Now I could get used to this.
Don't act too impressed, dearest, or you'll blow our cover. And James, do quit your pouting.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What could I possibly have to pout about?
Ah, então a gente... Peraí. Ah, deixa eu ver se eu entendi. O Morrow e as Crescidas estão disfarçados aqui com agentes, coisa. E a gente tem que ir nesse hotel em o que? Esqueci. Ah.
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations.
A gente tem que capturar o 009.
One must watch the perimeter. If 009 slips through our fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Exhilarating.
Greenway's testing you.
Temos que capturar o 009.
Don't give him an excuse.
The cap looks good on you, though. Really brings out your cheekbones.
E se eu voltar, o que acontece?
Bond, what are you doing? The hotel is back in that direction.
Fair point.
Just knocking about.
O hotel é ali. Ah, da hora. Tem que manter o disfarce, né?
Mate, turn around. We're not aborting, are we?
Nah, just keeping you on your toes. Fair point.
Estamos na Eslováquia, é isso?
Take a left up ahead, James.
Backseat driver.
What's that, darling?
Just a frog in my throat.
Carpadal Hotel. Ah, é a bandeira da Eslováquia, é isso? Pera aí, galera, deixa eu ver um negócio. Já volto. Vou ali no...
Halt.
Funcionário, calma. Putz.
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, ma'am. Won't be a moment.
Não vai demorar.
All clear. Please proceed.
Ah, tem que manter a descrição, né?
If I sold a kidney, I could afford to stay for a night.
I think I have. Stayed here, I mean. A wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It was dark and we'd been drinking, so...
Cannes? Private jet?
What?
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all.
What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played.
And since when do you trust Greenway?
I never said I did.
They knew each other, though. That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
Begs the question. Did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith? Bad blood.
Greenway.
Well, we're about to find out.
É bom conhecer os detalhes, né? Oh, o lugar é enorme aqui, rapaz do céu, vocês viram? Nossa, o local é enorme, hein? É um hotel em Eslovaquia, né? A Montepay nos orientou que aqui vai ter um torneio internacional de xadrez, é isso?
Hey, Cress? I think we broke James. Mate, you're going the wrong way. Why are we not moving?
Relax. All in good time.
Se eu jogar o carro ali, o que acontece?
Bond, what are you doing? The hotel is back in that direction.
Eu acho que a missão falha. Eu acho que a missão falha se jogar na escada, né? Eu só queria fazer isso, né? O que acontece?
Mate, turn around. We're not aborting, are we?
See, never trust the GPS.
Pull up. This is our stop. We're live, gentlemen. Switch to comms. And right with me, James.
Comigo, James. Fica aqui.
Save the world some other time.
Ok, começou.
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Welcome to the Grand Carpathian.
Bem-vindos ao Grande
Parking is right up ahead.
Vai ficar longa à frente.
Mr. and Mrs. York.
Bem-vindo ao quê? Grande Corpone?
Enjoy your stay.
Much obliged.
Oh, they will.
Só convidados, hein? Ó.
Right. We're entering the premises. Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position.
Singh, staff quarters.
Bronson, conference wing. Kingsley, first floor suites.
Suítes do primeiro andar.
Bond.
Na Eslovaquia.
Car park. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall.
Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down. 009 most certainly won't. Out.
009, né? Oh, chegamos. Oh, de motorista o bonde está. E agora eu tenho que ficar aqui no carro? A descrição é ficar aqui parado igual um... Fala sério. Opa, jogou uma mala.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment.
Opa, o que aconteceu aqui? Hora de trabalhar.
No harm in stretching my legs.
Investiga o homem loiro.
Bond, reporting suspicious behavior.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's an order.
Yes, Mom.
Investiga o homem loiro. Lembre-se a primeira regra da espionagem, né, Crescilda? Interrupções, não podemos obedecer ordem, né?
All over social media last year. Where have you been?
Blissfully off social media?
Well, they say Gretchen and Wong were a pair of augmented reality contacts at the Rapid and Blitz. The visual feed was hooked up to a chess AI running thousands of real-time simulations.
Kind of brilliant. Was any of this ever proven?
In the court of public opinion.
Missed him.
Infiltre-se no hotel. Investiga o homem loiro.
This was last year. And she
I just don't see the problem. Midas predicts the markets with an unprecedented level of precision. Sure, our traders felt threatened at first, but now they happily followed every lead. Big win for the work they provide.
Gone. In transit. Just gone.
Complacent and risk-averse.
Jesus Christ.
This doesn't come from predictability.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
Somente.
I just heard about it from Dushan at the bar.
Can I duck through? I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
That bellhop who just went through, do you know him?
No, but I've only been here a few weeks. Talk to the bartender. He knows everybody.
Like I need an excuse. Wow. Quite the security setup you've got here.
Right? The latest millimeter wave scanners. Guaranteed radiation-free. Nothing gets past them.
I feel more secure already. Gotta go and get my ID then.
If you want to catch your bellhop.
Fair point.
You're not meant to be here.
Sure.
Much obliged.
What the? I should take a look. Maybe it's the hose. Oh, okay then. Oh.
Hey, come back here.
Oh, that feels odd.
Airport. No, I'm just afraid I will embarrass myself and try getting this dream where I'm serving the local press early.
Infiltrei no hotel.
Over champagne tower in the middle of the speech.
Well, the worst you can do here is accidentally flip the chessboard.
Don't even say it. See?
Blocked.
The one in the dining hall? Yeah, I cracked it long ago. Wasn't so hard.
I'm impressed. Did you open it?
You crazy? You know where it leads. Imagine if the hotel owner caught you down there. Besides, I couldn't find a locking mechanism.
So you did try. If that collection ever gets
Opa, tô escutando
I'm looking in your
conversinha.
direction.
I'm not really a wine person.
No, but are you a money person? The owner keeps a 1945 Archambault Rouge in his boat. I hear he also owns a 1796 Costa Fiera, but that has to be a rumor.
Okay, let me stop you right there. I have bets to lay.
Later. See you at Romana's birthday party.
O lugar é tão grande que é onde eu vou.
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in? Dunno, but he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure. Yolanda.
see what all the fuss is
Vamos ver o que
about.
tá acontecendo aqui. É o bonde, olha lá. Todo o tempo do mundo. Capítulo 3.
There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
Homem loiro, o que ele tá fazendo aqui?
Bond, status.
No sign of 009. Over.
I gotta get back down there. Can you believe my big chose a Scotch opening?
I really have no idea what you just said. I decided that this was
anything could happen.
What on earth? Whoa.
This guy better be worth it.
You know Mr. Prendergast, the author?
Keep it together.
His suitcase disappeared. Claims a bellhop took it.
Nothing personal.
Staff, what else is new? Tell Mr. Vargas if you see him.
Diga ao Sr. Vargas.
Prendergast is down in reception demanding to see the manager.
Wouldn't want to keep Mr. Prendergast waiting.
You're not coming this way, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
Procure pelo hotel. Hóspede sem a mala foi visto numa recepção. Ele pode, Sr. Pentecoste.
Need to find a way past him.
Porta bloqueada. Uma porta que leva à entrada das funções está bloqueada por uma carteira. Lembre-se, onde tem conteúdo de descrição.
Kingsley alert. Best not get spotted just yet. Need to build a case first.
Serious? Bond? Why am I not surprised?
Kingsley, you can keep a secret, can't you?
Don't bother. I'm reporting you right here and now.
Sorry, if it's not an app, I don't know it.
Well, Rob is...
Wait. Greenway gave me a secondary assignment. Classified, not even Cressida knows. That's why I'm here.
Why'd Greenway give it to you? He hates your guts.
Come on, you're not that naive. That's what he wanted you all to think.
I'll let it slide, for now.
Smart move.
Manipulação, né, bom? ver o que temos aqui.
What in God's name was that?
Not even God knows what that was.
She's baking. And he's falling for it. Is he the genius? Completely suicidal.
Rico! O lugar aqui é grande, hein?
Strikes again, which is why when he invited Phoebe and I to join him in his ride for the World Chess Championship, I could hardly say no, could I? And he won't notice that you
How do you do?
Where have I seen him before?
I think he models for Alexander Dupin.
Oh, right. Nice posture.
Now, where do you go?
Can I get you something to drink, sir?
I wonder if you could help me.
I'll certainly try, sir.
How's business?
Lot of VIPs, even for this place. We have a prince, 2 heads of state, any number of celebrities. And no wonder they brought in all that extra security.
Can't be too careful. Recommend anything?
The Sazerac is always popular. Me, I'd go with the Ram Collins or the Stinger. If you feel like going off menu, I make a killer bare knuckle boxer.
Anything virgin?
None that I'd recommend.
Point taken. Did you notice the blonde bellhop who just passed through here?
There's a face you'd pick out in the lineup. Probably one of the pimps. He was asking for the directions to the backstage area.
A chess fiend. I knew it.
I'd stay clear of him.
Just need a quiet word. Nothing dramatic.
O carregador estava indo para os bastidores. Pelo menos temos deslumbre para onde ele foi, né?
Nash, delivery area secure. No sign of 009. Moving on to the next checkpoint. Over.
You know who's here? Arthur Prendergast. Who? The novelist. He wrote Rubicon Rising.
I only read romance novels. Sounds like he could write romance. Prendergast. Bet it looks good in person.
I'll tell Yolanda. You're a lost cause.
Peraí. Peraí, galera, já volto, calma aí.
Whitish blonde hair, approximately 6'2", spoke with an accent, must be a foreign national. Let's
Let's see. Male, Caucasian, whitish blonde hair, spoke with an accent. Must be a foreign national.
Who keeps texting?
It's Ezra. His uni interview is in 2 weeks, and the poor boy is just up the walls. Honestly, I am too. It doesn't bear thinking about.
Male, Caucasian, whitish blonde hair.
Well, there are other
Nossa, o local é
Never
enorme
seen
aqui.
the hotel so busy before. Hosting the champions must be a great fun.
From what I hear, the owner almost bankrupted himself on the renovations. We need the extra bookings. Excuse me, this isn't your room.
I'm a penetration tester with Rhinestone Insurance, and I just discovered 3 direct violations. I need a word with your manager, now.
Yes, of course.
Good lad.
Conference wing clear. No sight of 009. Proceeding to the next checkpoint.
Wish I had time to see the game. Did I ever tell you I was a semi-pro in high school?
Really? See? I would not have guessed. Did you wear a bow tie?
All right, break it up, you two. Eyes on the prize.
Ah, legal. Aviso de segurança, código de lavanda TG1.
1805, Battle of Trafalgar. Easy.
Wonder what it is. What could this be?
Let's see. Gosha's down with the flu. Ivanka's on holiday. Lucian's in recovery. We're just down to the wire today.
When it rains, it pours.
I'm telling
Cressida will blow a gasket.
James, what are you playing at?
Well, you wouldn't listen. I had to take matters into my own hands.
Damn it, James. Sometimes I think you want to fail. You know I have to report this. Now get out of here. We'll sort this when we get back.
Look her up. Teresa Lorca. I put up the mill too in venture capital, and when her stock goes public, my guy tells me I'll
Droga, cresceu da missão.
pushing the porn right now.
He is.
Bloody hell. Go on.
Tô explorando todo o ambiente, né?
What the? You can't just wander in here.
Event security. We have an activist posing as a member of the press. Has anyone checked in these past few minutes?
Mr. Morgan, but...
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let me through before I lose him. Good man. I must have gone out the other way.
What? Let me see.
I'm going to need some ID, sir. Staff or press?
Seems I left my press pass in my room.
I suggest you go and get it, sir. I can't let you through until you do.
My thoughts exactly. Be right back.
Bond, what are you playing at?
Hey, better to ask for forgiveness, right?
I'm going to need some ID, sir. Staff or press?
Seems I left my press pass in my room.
I suggest you go and get it, sir. I can't let you through until you do.
My thoughts exactly. Be right back.
I need to.
What in? Hey, something sucked all my battery.
Que é isso? Livro antigo. Livro antigo escrito em eslovaco.
I just told your colleague, stay clear of the backstage area. This is the World Championships, for pity's sake. I need to focus.
Dreadfully sorry. Won't be a moment.
Ralph, what's the matter? Hey, you look like you've seen a ghost. Hello? Earth to Ralphie.
The king's Indian defense, to be precise, and all part of established theory. Right now, one is doing really well on the clock and responsible for 95 to 6, which means it feels like he's giving up something in exchange for that.
Oh, look at you all riled up. What's going on?
A hell of a thing. This bellhop, he tore a page from that antique book over there. Shot me a look like, talk and you're dead. And liked it.
Christ, the nerve of something.
Why would the blonde man tear up a
sure
book?
was only trying to scare you, Ralphie.
Yeah, well, he...
Testemunhas. Lista das senhas. O código da lavanderia é 1806. Testemunhas. Uma testemunha viu um homem loiro no espaço de
Bloody succeeded. Nothing that a stiff drink won't fix. I'll fetch you a G&T.
This bellhop, did you see where he went?
Reception. He took off towards the reception.
Reception. Good man. I'll explore later.
Xadrez lá, o campeonato mundial.
Did you see that?
She's playing too fast.
That's what she wants him to think. She wants him to think she's being reckless, but she's not. She's hunting him across the board. Just you watch.
Onde que estão?
Maria, champagne glasses are for toasting, yes? So they're placed furthest to the right so the guest can easily reach them.
Galera, eu vou
over
vou sair dessa missão por enquanto. Vamos lá. Eu vou continuar na próxima parte, né? Já 2 horas de campanha. A gente vai atrás do 009 na próxima parte. Foi um progresso considerável que a gente fez até aqui. Beleza? Na próxima missão, então, a gente tá nesse hotel aqui em Eslovaquia. A gente vai... E tá tendo um campeonato mundial de xadrez. E a gente vai continuar essa missão na próxima parte, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera. Peço mais uma vez vocês deixarem o like. Deixar o like, não vai custar nada participarem da comunidade do Discord. E a gente se vê então na próxima parte de 007 First Light, beleza? É isso aí, galera. Um forte abraço. Valeu, vou nessa. Fui! Tem até os cavalos de xadrez aqui na...